Website Cloud is a SaaS platform that empowers the legacy traditional applications, that gives them a new life and gives them a SaaS access for the end user. The user can use the application without installing anything on the device and can have secure control of the access for the applications, data, and also for the user's privacy. As the process is automatic, so actually they will fastly distribute the application, so they don't lose time when publishing one application. And actually, when they have new employees or they want to give an access to a new employees, the employee actually will come with username and password, and this is it. As they're using only a web browser to access the applications, it means it gives the liberty to change the device, to use any device they want. So it's a simplicity on the main level for the company. So actually we need the feedback from the user's point of view, because we are actually transforming the traditional application meant for the fixed desktop into a web access application. So we need the feedback from the users, feedback from the audience, and also we want to meet companies, investors that can bring and can scale our solutions.